Welcome to hrHQ. hrHQ now has the ability to switch between Spanish and English languages. This ability can be found in the admin portal as well as the employee portal. We'll find this button in the top right corner. There's an icon that resembles a globe. If we select that icon, we can switch between English and Spanish. Once you change the language, you'll be prompted, and then the language will switch in the website here from English to Spanish. So as you can see, Spanish throughout the system. This is also available on the employee portal. When the employees log into the employee portal, they'll have the same icon in the upper right-hand corner. We can select the globe, switch from English to Spanish, and now the website will be presented in Spanish instead of English. And then, of course, we can switch back from Spanish to English. For more information, see the user guide in hrHQ. Thanks.